Hey guys, it's Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. So we're out of Fishers now and we're in Greenwood, doing what they call a same day for a customer. And one thing I want to mention, this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. This homeowner actually called some of her neighbors and got some of her neighbors to get their dryer vent cleaned today as well. So they will be getting a substantial discount. So just remember, if you're a part of a homeowners association or if you're in a condo, if you get more than one person to agree to do a cleaning on the same day, then you can literally save yourself a large amount of money. Because you don't have to go, so I don't have to go like from Fishers. I don't have to drive from Fishers to Greenwood or Greenwood to Avon or any of that. I'm right there. So basically, we do group discounts. So homeowners association, condos, apartment complexes, if you can get 2 or 3 people together, that is the best way to do it. You can save yourself a lot of money. This is Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. Locally owned, veteran operated, certified dryer exhaust technician. We are recognized nationally. So, now a lot of people ask me about this hole right here. That hole won't hurt anything. When I am done, I'll put a plug in it and then I seal it, so it's not going to leak or cause any issues or anything like that. So it actually works really good to clean that way, because you run less chance of breaking the wand and having to take the pipe apart. If you'll notice, we are getting a good bit out, which is exactly what's supposed to happen when you do a dryer vent cleaning. So again, 317-430-3993. Now I know why the lady's dryer vent was taking so long to dry. I had one this bad in a long time, and it looks like it's gonna run right around almost 28 feet. Dryer's really loud now. I can really hear it, and it's really throwing out some good air now. So I just hope you guys can see it. There's a good bit coming out. And there's the back of the dryer. So we'll get this cleaned out. So it looks like we're right at the 30 feet mark, which is the maximum code allowed when this condo got built. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work our way out. We'll get the damper cleaned off. We'll get her put back together. And she shouldn't have any problems with clothes drying. This is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. Locally owned, veteran operated, certified dryer exhaust technician. We are recognized nationally. We do offer veterans and senior citizens discount. And if you are just now joining me, the lady, this homeowner does live in a condo, and she did talk to her neighbors. So they're definitely getting a better deal than if they just call me singly and get that 10% discount. So they're getting a very good discount because we're grouping a couple of these in together. So, oh yeah, there we go. So as you're aware, I'll pull this out like I always do, and then we'll just clean right inside real quick, and this dryer vent cleaning will be done. It'll be in the books, as they say. Get all that off there. That way this is your damper door. You want it to be able to close. And then we'll slide this in. And you should be able to hear that airflow. That airflow is really high. This is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. Do you know what's inside your vent? Call me. I'll show you. Hope you guys can see all that down there. Get you a close view. Have a blessed day.